When you don't know what the weather's going to be like. I know people like to plan ahead for their day. I can help you out.
Right now, it's your local forecast on the Weather Channel.
Good morning. It's time now for your tropical update. Now, the month of September usually does turn out to be a very active month in the tropics. But even so, things lately have been extremely active, very unusual. And in fact, right now we have 4 hurricanes to talk about. That's right, 4 hurricanes. First of all, we have Hurricane George, which continues to work its way across the Florida Keys at this time. Then we also, though, have Hurricane Ivan and Karl a little bit farther out towards the Atlantic Basin. And last but not least, Hurricane Jeanne. And we'll say more about those coming up in just a moment. First of all, though, we want to focus in on the big weather story for the day, which continues to be Hurricane George. Now, George continues to slowly intensify, and right now it has winds up to 105 miles per hour, and it's lifting off towards the northwest. It's very close to the Key West area, and the official forecast does take it across the Florida Keys, and then lifts it over towards the eastern part of the Gulf of Mexico. It's still a very well organized, very well-defined hurricane at this particular point, a very powerful and a very dangerous storm system. We see a good outflow pattern. We've seen some very, very squally conditions, very heavy rain and stiff winds battering southern sections of Florida. And oftentimes, unfortunately, when these hurricanes do draw close, they can spin off tornadoes. And a large part of central and southern Florida remains under a tornado watch, which does include those of you in Miami, West Palm Beach, and around the Tampa Bay area. Now, again, we've had some squalls feeding on shore, and at this point, tornado warnings continue for Indian River County. We've had some nasty squalls feeding in near Vero Beach and just to the south of Vero Beach, and more big thunderstorms pulling over towards Tampa Bay, and all these showers and thunderstorms pinwheeling right around our main low pressure area. Again, right now, Hurricane George tracking very close to the Key West area, and we've had reports of wind gusts right around the Florida Keys in excess of 100 miles per hour. Again, the official forecast track does take it off towards the northwest, taking it over towards the Florida Keys, then eventually re-emerging back over the open waters in the eastern Gulf. And because we have some very, very warm waters throughout this region, further strengthening is likely. Besides that, though, Hurricane Karl. Now, this has been upgraded now to a hurricane. It's packing winds of 75 miles per hour. Luckily, though, it's posing no threat to any land areas. At the same time, though, Hurricane Ivan. This one with winds of 80 miles per hour, and it could pose some problems for some shipping interests across the Atlantic Ocean. Along with that, though, Hurricane Jeanne, this one with winds of 105 miles per hour, and again, no major threat to any land areas. Here's another satellite perspective, though, of Hurricane Jeanne as it continues to lift towards the west-northwest. Stateside, we have some other weather headaches. We have a storm system developing across the Plain States, which could bring some severe weather later on today for those of you around Chicago and around Minneapolis. More on Hurricane George coming up.
Wind and surf pound the Florida Keys as Hurricane George delivers its blow. Live coverage from our crews in the field and experts at the desk next on Weather Center.
Oil, your car's lifeblood. Yet changing your motor oil every 3,000 miles is such a hassle and expense. You need AMSOIL, the first API-certified synthetic motor oil, delivering guaranteed protection for 7,500 miles or 6 months. Developed by a fighter pilot, AMSOIL reduces wear up to 50% in industry wear tests. AMSOIL delivers easier cold starts because AMSOIL flows when conventional oils won't go.
AMSOIL gives our equipment the best possible protection from wear.
With AMSOIL in my own car, my mileage jumped 3 miles per gallon, a 10% increase.
AMSOIL, proven over 25 years and billions of miles. Used by racers and major truck and auto fleets. Installed by Quick Lube shops nationwide. Call toll-free now to order a free AMSOIL catalog featuring AMSOIL XL 7500. Each free catalog is also filled with over 60 premium products guaranteed to improve your car's performance. Call 1-800-520-8585. 1-800-520-8585.